so this is the next morning. I'm taking the truck to get the wheel bearings replaced. From about, what's that, 37 and going up. So the noise is not too bad. It's only my left one that's bad. But I'm going to replace both of them when I have it in the shop. But as I speed up, of course this guy wants to cut me off. So, alright, as I go faster, I'm at 50 something. Got a car in front of me, so that's where it starts kind of hearing it a lot more. So I just compare it when I pick it up. I picked up the truck and I'm going 39, 40, but let me tell you, it's super quiet, so let me speed it up here. At 15, when I brought it this morning, it was a lot louder. So, I mean, I'm super happy with this Kryptonite wheel bearings. They are definitely worth the money. It's super quiet in here. It's awesome, guys. So I just wanted to give a comparison, but I just picked it up, very a few miles on it, and so far I'm super happy with it.